load up the GTM for Factory 5. We're at the Chattanooga Motorsports Show. This is the first event where we had our race ramps with us. These are the best. I've been racing for almost 40 years, and I've never been able to load the car really by myself without having to have 3 or 4 boards, the trailer tilted up way in the air, guys running back and forth with race ramp. We've been able to set up the ramps custom built for our need, hook it up with the remote. Really by myself, I'll be able to run this all the way in and get it in the trailer. Absolutely unbelievable. If you're racing and you're running a low production car or a full race car that's got a low center, race ramp will take care of it for you.